Superintendent, Ma'am Jean G. Veloso, our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Enerio E. Ibiza, our SGOD Chief, Ma'am Perlineta L. Glodovi, our barangay officials, headed by Honorable Regil C. Magtuba, our SPTA officers, headed by President R.G. Roque, our distinguished guests, our school principal, Ma'am Adeline B. Lumasag, our dedicated teachers and staff, our supportive parents and families, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. I am Vilraven C. Clevete, and I am standing here today not just a student, but as a representative of the amazing class of 2026. On behalf of my fellow graduates, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to our grade 6 graduation ceremony. It is a special moment for us as we celebrate the end of one chapter and the beginning of a new journey. I'd like to welcome everyone who filled this room. Look around. You can see all the love and support that got us here. To our families, thank you for the breakfast before school, for listening to us practice our multiplication tables, for coming to our games and school activities, and for believing in us even we didn't believe in ourselves. Our diploma is much yours as it is ours. To our teachers, thank you for being more than just teachers. You were our coaches, our cheerleaders, and our second parents. You push us to be better and help us stand up when we fell. We will never forget you. And to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. Welcome to our celebration. We started this journey as little kids, and today we live as young adults ready for new adventures. Through all the challenges, lessons, and memories, we have come this far together. As we move on to the next stage of our journey, may we carry with us the values and knowledge we have gained. I'm so glad I get to share this journey with all of you. Thank you all for being here to share this special moment with us. Once again, welcome everyone, and thank you for celebrating this important milestone with us. Good afternoon.
At this point, may we call on Mrs. Adeline B. Lumasag, our school principal, for the presentation of candidates for graduation.